Hey, shalom, my homies. I want to do a quick update real quick. About an hour ago, my eye healed enough where I suddenly got 3D vision back. Now, it looks still bad from the outside. Looks like somebody punched me in the eye pretty hard, right?
Pretty hard.
Yeah. But I can see in 3D. I can tell how far away things are. So we just left a Bible study prayer meeting at our friends Barbie and Nathan Carr's house, and just talking about just operating in the Spirit and bringing spiritual things to bear on the world around us, changing the spiritual environment around us. And as soon as we were leaving, suddenly I could see in 3D.
Yeah.
So I'm very excited. And we went out to a little dinner at a local pub. It was very nice. So I just thought I'd share that with everybody and keep praying. I think the Lord's going to do some amazing things. I know I probably still look weird because my eye looks all puffy and swollen, but from the inside looking out, I can see again. It's a good feeling. So you guys have a blessed day after 40 days.
40 days, yeah.
Almost 40 days.
40 days.
40 is such a significant number in the scriptures.
Oh, man.
Serves so many different things. So
many
more prophetic insights to come. Shalom Aleichem, my friends. May the peace of God that passes understanding rest on your hearts and minds and souls. Amen. Shalom.